Okay, here is Mo I Rana by night. Here's my nice car. I think it's nice anyway. And if I now turn 180 degrees, you can see some of the city. This is some part of a transportation unit for the steel mill here. And hang on, what's that? There's a river. Oh my god, a river and a bridge and a truck, a long truck. Okay, let's now follow this river. I guess you can hear the sound now. I guess you can hear the sound. Look at that sight. Oh my god, it's nice. I think it's nice anyway. This is quite a view for tourists. And yeah. This is quite nice to watch. Maybe it's a little bit too dark for you to see, but I surely hope you can see this. The waterfall is lightened by lights, as you can see, as you can tell. And well, I will shut up now, and you can have some moments of peace watching this waterfall. Sorry, I'm shaking on my hands, I guess. It's a little bit cold here. You're still here in Mo I Rana, watching Mo I Rana by night. And up there, up on the hill over there is the local steel mill. The ironwork or the steel mill, whatever it's called. Today, the date of today is, let me think a little. It's the 14th of May 2013, and as you can tell by the sky, it's pretty light, although the time is almost midnight. I guess I will, so let's look at this. I guess I will shoot some videos of the midnight sun in a while. Okay, it's my car again, and well, it's not too much to look at here at the moment, but again, this beautiful waterfall. Well, over and out from me, and over and out from Mo I Rana. The city in Norway, known as the city beneath the Arctic Circle. I'm Aleph. Please join IC, please. IC at the EFNet, channels Amiga and Amiga Web. I'm a great, no, I'm not just a great fan, but I'm a big Amiga fan. You know the classic Amiga computer from 1980s and 1990s and so on. Okay, have a nice day. Enjoy.